Trina Kay and Judge Boreski yet again get to talk about Lori Daybell opening a door. It is such a common phrase in this case, and it's still happening. So this is reply to defendant's response to state's motion to file state's response to motion for new trial under seal. So if I'm understanding the order here to kind of explain what's happening, Lori files for a new trial. The state wants to file their response under seal because it's going to contain medical information. Lori is, I believe, against filing it under seal, and this is the state's response to Lori. And all of this is being heard by Judge Boreski. Let's get into it. The state of Arizona, through undersigned counsel, submits for the record that the state is not in possession of any of the defendant's medical records. All information relating to the defendant's medical diagnosis comes from the defendant stating the facts on the record, or from Joseph Vigil on behalf of Correctional Health Services in a filing or on the record. If the defendant objects to sealing the state's response to defendant's motion for new trial, then the court should deny the state's attempt to protect the defendant's personal medical history and make the state's response to defendant's motion for new trial available to the public to view. So essentially, Trina Kay is saying, fine, Lori, if you want to try to argue that everything should be for the public, we were trying to protect you. Judge Boreski, please don't side with us, side with Lori, and let the public know all of the medical details we talk about. The defendant is asking this to be done. That appears to be the core of the argument here. So let me know what you think in the comments. This is just a quick update video. And also let me know how the picture and sound are. I had to rearrange some things in the room, and I'm trying to figure out a way to keep this room a little cooler without really damaging the audio. So if the audio sucks in this one, I apologize greatly. I'm working on it, trying to figure some stuff out. It's hot, and I'm trying to figure out how to keep working on it. Let me know what you think. I think this is another case of Lori just opening the door, not realizing what she's opening the door to, and I would not be shocked, and the reason I'm covering this is because I would not be shocked if Lori responds going, oh, no, never mind, I do want it under seal. Because I think the last thing she wants is the public to actually see that she wasn't too sick to go to court. That's the argument from the judge and from medical people and from the state, and Lori, I mean, she's not really making a good argument that she was too sick to be in court. I can't imagine this being public is going to help her win any favor, but she wanted it public, and Trina Kay is saying, be careful what you wish for.